So this part is on nature versus nurture. Nature in this circumstance is defined by the genetics and biology that go into making up a person's personality, behavior, life skills, whatever. Your nurture is your environment. Now there are two types of environment, shared and non-shared. Your shared environment is like what everyone objectively experiences per day. So it's more like stating a fact of what happened, whereas your non-shared environment is your internal response to the stimuli, to the objective situation that just happened. So that's why they say that siblings can sometimes have like coping skills that are different, even though the situation is the same in the household, for example. So science has also said that about 40% of your personality is genetics and about 60% is your shared and non-shared environment. So now how do we argue these two? On the nature side, brain scans have been shown to prove such psychological disorders like schizophrenia, antisocial personality disorder, and depression. You can see different parts of the brain lighting up, you can see different parts not lighting up, and that shows that biology really does play a role in how people develop and demonstrate their mental disorders, or lack of. In fact, studies have shown that insomnia can actually show up on a sleep scanner and EEG about 6 months before that person experiences another depressive episode. So it really does show that you can look at the nature side of things and really prove that mental illness is a biological problem. However, you also learn your behaviors from your parents, from your friends, and these are called learned behaviors, but basically it's sort of like how you learn to speak. You learn to speak by imitating your parents. That's why your first words are usually mom or dad or something that they're saying commonly, because you're learning the mouth movements, you're learning the sounds, and that's how you do that, and that applies to basically every single behavior. There's also what's called like situational mental illness, and that deals with like when someone has an environmental factor that triggers their disorder or emotional behavior disorder, and that's how this applies to EBD. Is a lot of the time these kids experience both biological markers and situational factors that lead to them acting out. In conclusion, both of these things, nature and nurture, will play a role in forming every single human being on the planet. And it's not as much of an argument as it is they are both the same side of an argument. They are not different. They just form a person hand in hand. It's just up to the individual's life experiences and biological markers to make them the person who they are. Thank you.